This sanitary gate adds to the number of health precautionary measures available at the airport in response to the fight against COVID-19 pandemic in the country. Sierra Leone is among the first countries in the sub-region to have installed this sanitary gate. It will enhance passenger confidence to travel in and out of the country and build on the country's expected air traffic recovery and growth. This sanitary tunnel will serve as a model for many countries in the world and meet WHO specifications. The country manager, Westminster Aviation Security Services, Musa Barry, said that the support was in fulfillment of her company's promise and commitment to the government of Sierra Leone through the Ministry of Transport and Aviation in June this year. She said West Africa continues to record new cases of COVID-19, noting that the sanitary gate would help to enhance passengers' confidence and significantly contribute to the fight against the importation of the virus through the country's only gateway.
So this technology is new. As you know, Corona is new. Everybody's learning as we go along. But the essence of it is to disinfect passengers when they arrive. So what we're doing is trying to minimize the chances of somebody coming into the country that has the virus on their person and then transmitting it in Sierra Leone. So it's an additional measure to minimize the transmission of COVID in Sierra Leone.
So Acting General Manager, Sierra Leone Airport Authority, Jack Masakwe, thanked the British aviation security firm for such an impressive impact they have brought to the airport. He encouraged other players in the aviation industry to emulate the initiative of the Westminster Aviation Security Service and join hands to support the airport, particularly during this pandemic period. Director General Sierra Leone Civil Aviation Authority Moses Tifa Bayo said that the donation from the Westminster Aviation Security Service was considered as a promise made and delivered. He lauded Westminster for providing the sanitary gate on behalf of the aviation industry and expressed the hope that the sanitizing tunnel will effectively serve the traveling public, noting that the arrival of Westminster's sanitizing gate at the airport has added value to the country's aviation security standards, as evident in a recent APEC security audit of the airport. Commissioning the sanitary gate, the Minister of Transport and Aviation, Cabinet Kalon, appreciated the donor and disclosed that the equipment is a first in West Africa and Sierra Leone is among a handful of countries that are using it around the world. He went on that the gains government has made so far in the COVID-19 fight can be sustainable with constant investment in health technologies and compliance with aviation health guidelines. Head of Managed Service Division, Westminster Group and trustee of the Westminster Foundation, Westminster was delighted to be able to offer its support to the government of Sierra Leone with a donation of a sanitation tunnel to the Sierra Leone Airport Authority. The aim of the donation, she said, was to help assist in the efforts to curtail the spread of COVID-19 pandemic.
We've been part of the FMA family now for many years, and we will stand with them in their fight against COVID, just as we did during the Ebola crisis. The world is united in its fight against this pandemic. Together, we are stronger, and together, we will suppress the virus.
The COVID-19 pandemic has had a catastrophic effect on the aviation industry worldwide, and the Westminster Group has been at the forefront of the fight to return businesses back worldwide. Ibrahim Samura, Freetime.